Hi friends, welcome to my new video unboxing Bingo M2 band from Snapdeal and its review and water test. I'm very sorry for the noise uh, in this video. It's very well packed. It is only 549 rupees in Snapdeal. And this is the M2 band. This is the manual of this watch. Here it is the USB cable for charging the band. This is the band, and here it is the device. Now fix it in the band. In this way it has been fixed completely. I'm using another video for its review and water test from the channel Take 2 Care. To visit the channel, go to the link in the description. Now let's test the heartbeat sensor, whether it is working or not. It is working extremely good, and it is time. You can also connect to your Android phone by the app Droid. Here it is given IP67 waterproof. So now let's water test it. Keep it in the water for some seconds. Oh, it's working. Again, keep it in the water for some seconds. After that, take it out. Now again, let's test the heartbeat sensor. It is really waterproof. The sensor is also working after keeping it in the water. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and channel.